Dandan Noodles, a world-famous and cherished Sichuan delicacy with a history dating back to the 1840s, bears a name from the traders who originally peddled them through bustling streets. Before starting, you need to prepare the following ingredients: flour and Spanish juice for making the noodles, chopped nuts, whether chopped peanuts, pistachios, or cashews, the blended sauce, pickled sprouts, and blended chili oil. As for cooking utensils, it's enough to use a pasta pot and a pair of chopsticks. Step 1. Mix the Spanish juice with the flour and roll them to make the noodles. Step 2. When the water in the pot is boiling, add the noodles in and boil for 3 minutes. Step 3. Roll the noodles into a ball with chopsticks for plate presentation. Our Michelin chefs usually cook it in this way, but it's ultimately up to you. Step 4. Sprinkle the chopped nuts as well as the sprouts on top of the rolled noodles. Sprouts need to be pickled, so it is recommended to buy them directly online. Step 5. Drizzle with the sauce and chili oil. It smells marvelous. Let's embark on this culinary adventure.